Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Luci Lights Solar Inflatable Lantern on the market. The LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern, also known as the Pack Light Nova USB. This compact and innovative light source is perfect for camping, hiking, travel, and emergency situations, combining portability with powerful illumination and sustainable energy. Right out of the box, the LuminAID Pack Light Nova stands out with its unique inflatable design. When deflated, it's incredibly flat and compact, measuring just under 5 inches in length and width, making it easy to slip into any backpack or emergency kit. Once inflated, it expands into a sturdy, cube-shaped lantern about 4.75 inches on each side. Despite its light weight of just over 5 ounces, the lantern is robust, waterproof, shatterproof, dustproof, and safe for all ages, even kids. This makes it a reliable choice for the outdoors and unpredictable weather. The lantern emits bright, white LED light with an output of 75 lumens, which is enough to illuminate roughly 125 square feet. It features multiple brightness settings, including a flashing mode, allowing you to adjust the light intensity to your needs, whether it's a gentle night light in your tent or a bright beacon during a power outage. One of the standout features is its long battery life. Fully charged, the light can last up to 24 hours on the lowest setting, ensuring it stays lit through the night. Charging the LuminAID lantern is incredibly convenient. It offers 2 methods to recharge: solar power and USB. The solar panel integrated on the lantern's surface allows it to absorb sunlight directly, typically taking about 10 hours of direct outdoor sun to reach a full charge. For faster charging, it can also be powered up via a micro USB port included with the lantern, reaching full power in just 1 to 2 hours. This dual charging capability means you can always count on it for light, whether you're out on a long hike or facing an unexpected blackout at home. Beyond its functional design, the lantern is also thoughtfully engineered for ease of use. It features a simple touch switch for cycling through brightness levels, and the inflatable structure doubles as a diffuser, casting a soft, even glow without harsh glare. Its waterproof rating of IP67 means it can handle immersion in water, so it's great for outdoor activities even in rainy or wet conditions. Plus, the materials used are durable yet lightweight, ensuring it won't weigh you down on your adventures. The LuminAID Pack Light Nova is more than just a camping light, it's an emergency preparedness tool. Its portability allows you to hang it inside a tent, carry it on your backpack, or place it on a table for instant illumination. It's ideal for patio parties, picnics, or even as a nightlight for kids. Because it requires no disposable batteries, it's an environmentally friendly choice, reducing waste and reliance on non-renewable power sources. Interestingly, LuminAID is a women-owned small business with a mission that extends beyond just creating innovative lighting products. The company started with a humanitarian focus, designing solar lanterns to provide safe, reliable light in disaster-stricken areas around the world. This background adds a meaningful dimension to the product. Every purchase supports sustainable innovation and global aid efforts. When comparing this model to other LuminAID lights, the Pack Light Nova strikes a balance between portability and brightness, making it an excellent option for anyone who wants a reliable, solar-powered lantern without bulk. Its 1000 mAh lithium-ion battery and compact size set it apart as one of the most practical and versatile solar inflatable lanterns available. In summary, the LuminAID Solar Camping Lantern Pack Light Nova USB offers bright, adjustable lighting, multiple recharging options, durable waterproof construction, and lightweight portability, all wrapped in an eco-friendly package. Whether you're camping in the wilderness, preparing for emergencies, or just need a convenient light source on the go, this inflatable solar lantern is a smart, reliable choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.